If Cash App won't let you send Bitcoin, it could be due to account verification issues, transaction limits, or network restrictions. Here's how to fix it. Verify your identity on Cash App. Cash App requires users to verify their identity before sending Bitcoin. Go to Cash App, Bitcoin tab, and follow the steps to verify using your full name, date of birth, and SSN. Verification may take up to 48 hours. Check your Bitcoin sending limit. Cash App allows sending up to $2,000 worth of Bitcoin per 24 hours and $5,000 per 7 days. If you hit the limit, wait before sending more. Ensure you have enough Bitcoin plus network fees. Bitcoin transactions require network fees. Go to Cash App, Bitcoin, withdraw, and check if you have enough to cover fees. Update Cash App and check for server issues. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and update Cash App. Visit Cash App status to check for server outages. Contact Cash App support. Open Cash App, profile, support, Bitcoin issues for help.